All right, man. Welcome to Crow 777 Radio. This is a bumper for episode 495. Jason Lingren is with me, and Marion Gentry returns. Marion's quite a guest to have on. She took the Gerson method and improved on it with her own special blend of green coffee. This is the most effective way I know of cleaning out the body. People should check it out. Hour 1 is free to everybody at crow777radio.com. CRROW777radio.com. Members know to log in for the full episode, and they also get free access to the 2-hour film Shoot the Moon, which has something like 10 awards now, covers all my telescope work. With that, I would like to wish you all a happy, healthy, and higher-minded new era. And seriously, this can be life-changing for some people. There it is, man. Cheers.